Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome to our 5th standard maths class. In previous class, we saw information processing in Sudoku. Do you understand for the topic? Okay, good. Today we are going to see the next topic is pictograph, tally mark and bar graph. So today we have to see three topics. So first one, pictograph. Okay, so pictograph means they given data we have to use pictures, for example using symbols or images. So the given pictures means we can easily understand. Okay, so we see the example. This is a information collector for 150 students about the favorite subjects. Make a pictograph based on it. Okay, so 150 students favorite subject they given. Okay, so Tamil how many students like 25, English 20, Maths 55, Science 35, Social Science 15. Okay, you see this picture. Okay, so this smiley represent one picture is equal to 5 students. Okay, so one picture means we take 5 students. Okay, so how to draw the pictograph? So first you write subject and this side number of students. So first Tamil, you see the data Tamil like 25 students. So you draw smiley. Okay, so one smiley represent 5 students. So how many smiley we draw? 5. Okay, so one smiley 5 means 2, 10, 3 smiley 15, 4 smiley 20, 5 smiley 25. Okay, so it's a pictograph. Okay, they given data we have to use symbols. Okay, the next one English. Okay, so how many students like English? 20. So you using smiley pictures. So one picture represent 5 students means how many pictures we draw? 4. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Next Maths 55 students. Okay, so how many smiley pictures we draw? 11. Okay, so 11 5s are 55. So one smiley pictures represent 5. So 1 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55. Okay, so how many smiley pictures we draw? 11. Okay, so 11 5s are 55. The next one science. Okay, so how many students like science subjects? 35. So how many smiley pictures we draw? 7. Okay, 7 5s are 35. So you draw 7 smiley pictures. Next one social science. So social science 15 students like. Okay, so 1 represent 5, 2 means 10, 3 means 15. So we draw 3 smiley pictures. Do you understand for this sum? So pictograph means they given data we have to draw pictures. Okay, so next one you see the exercise sum. The following table shows the weight of paddy cultivated in a particular village between 2010 and 2015. Okay, so in a village the paddy cultivated 5 years paddy production given. Okay, so what are the years? 2010 to 2015. So 2010 they given 5 pictures. Okay, 5 paddy pictures. Then 2011 4, 2012 3, 2013 2, 2014 3, 2015 2. So one paddy picture represent 1000 kgs of paddy. Okay, so one paddy pictures represent 1000 kgs. Okay, so 2010 how many kgs of paddy productions? 500 kg. 2011 400 kilogram. 2012 300 kilogram, 2013 200 kilogram, 2014 3 paddy pitchers means 300 kilogram. Okay, 2015 200 kilogram. Do you understand for this one? Okay, next we write the answer. First question, in which year the paddy production was maximum? So maximum means high. Okay, so which year has high production? 2010. Okay, the next one, in which years the paddy production were equal? So 2 years have paddy production equal. So what are the years? 2015 and 2013 have same production 200 kilogram. Okay, so first 2013 and 2015. Next one 2012 and 2014 have 300 kilogram. Okay, so next third one, find the paddy production in 2015. So how many paddy production in 2015? 200 kilograms. Next fourth one, find the total quantity of paddy production in 2013, 2014 and 2015. So you add this 3 years production. Okay, so 2013 200 kilogram plus 2014 300 kilogram plus 2015 200 kilogram. So you add this to 3, we get 700 kilogram. Do you understand for this one? Okay, next we see tally mark. Okay, so in the ancient peoples we use tally marks. Okay, so how do they use? Information was collected about the number of vehicles which crossed a school on a particular time. So how do draw the tally mark? Tally mark means we use 1. Okay, so 1 is called a tally mark. It is difficult to count if there are more number of tally marks. Therefore, to make it easier to count, we change it as follows. Okay, so they one school count the number of vehicles crossed the particular time. Okay, so one car crossed means we draw 1. Next they one car crossed means another one they draw. Okay, so van also they draw 1. After they come means next they draw 1. Okay, so how do you draw the tally marks? So 1 means they write 1, 2 1 means you write 2, 3 1 means you write 3, 4 1 means you write 4, 5 means 4 1, then 5 means you cross that 4 lines. Okay, then 6 means 4 lines, cross 1 means 5. Okay, the next 6 you start with new one. Okay, you see the pictures, we can easily understand. Okay, so next we draw the tally mark. Okay, so they given vehicles, next you put tally mark and number of vehicles. Okay, so first vehicle is car. Okay, so how one totally 11 one they put here. Okay, so how to put the tally mark? So 5 means first for 1, after you crossed 1, so it's 5 plus 5 10, the next you put 1, so it's a tally mark, so 11. Okay, so number of vehicles 11. Next van totally 7. Okay, 7 1 they given, so you put tally mark 5. Next 5 plus 2 7, so 5, next 1 1. Okay, so number of vehicles 7. Next one lorry. So how many lorries? They given 13 ones. Okay, so you put tally mark, so number of vehicles 13. Next two wheelers. How many two wheelers? 12 two-wheelers. Okay, so first you put the tally mark, 5 plus 5 10, next remaining 2. The next one, bus, how many buses? 4. Okay, so next they give one question, you answer the question. Which vehicle crossed the school maximum in number? So which vehicle crossed more? Lorry. Okay, next find the total number of vehicles which crossed on a particular time. So totally how many vehicles passed on the time means totally 47 vehicles. Okay, so it's a tally mark. Okay, do you understand for the tally mark? Okay, so next one also example for tally mark. Okay, so information was collected by Balu from 20 students of class 5 recording their favorite snacks, tablet the given information. Okay, so totally 3 students their favorite snacks items given. Okay, so how do you put the tally mark? First you write name of the snacks, next one tally mark, next one number of students. Okay, so what are the snacks? Chocolate, cake, biscuit, apple, banana. So next you put the tally mark. Chocolate, you see the table column, how many students like chocolate? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you put the tally mark first to 5. Okay, 4 once you put, next after you cross the line, that is a 5. So next 4 means you put 4 single ones. Okay, so if you doubt means you see the previous sum. Okay, so you put the tally mark 9. Okay, next cake, how many? 3. So 3 means you tally mark 3 ones you put. Okay, next biscuits, how many students like biscuit? 4. So you write simply 4 ones. Okay, next apple 2, then banana 2. So it's a tally mark sum. Okay, the next we see bar graph. Next what we see? Bar graph. So bar graph is a chart that use of bars to show comparisons between categories of data. The bar can either be a horizontal or vertical. So bar graph means easier compared to the given data. Okay, so the box is a bars. Okay, so the bars we have to use horizontal wise or vertical wise we have to use. We see the sum. The number of things sold in a month of January in a particular shop is shown below. Draw a bar graph. They given data, we draw the bar graph. It's a bar graph. They given pictures. Okay, you see it's a bar graph. So what are the things they given? Refrigerator, television, washing machine, cooler, radio. Okay, so you draw the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so how many refrigerators sold? 75. So you draw the bar graph for 75. 75 is between 70 and 80. Okay, so you middle you draw. Okay, the next one television 45. So 45 you draw the bar graph. Okay, the next one washing machine 30. The next one cooler 60, you draw the bar graph for 60. Then radio 30, you draw the bar graph for 30. So it is a bar graph diagram. They given data, you draw the bar graph. Okay, next to sum we see exercise sum pictograph. In a the total number of people studying in a class 5 are as follows: GHSS 1000, PUPS 200, BHSS 400, PUMS 400, private nursery school 800. Prepare a pictograph using the smiley pictures to represent 100 pupils and answer the following questions. They given data, we have to draw pictograph. Okay, so what picture we have to use? Smiley pictures. So one smiley represent 100 pupils, okay, 100 students. So first what they given? GHSS. Okay, so GHS how many? 1000 students. So 1000 students means you draw smiley pictures. One smiley represent 100. So 1000 means how many smiley pictures we draw? 10. Okay, 110, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Okay, so 10 smiley picture we draw. GHSS. Next PUPS. So how many pupils? 200. So your 200 means how many smiley pictures we draw? 2. Okay, so one picture represent 100. So two pictures represent 200. Then BHSS how many? 4. Okay, so 400 means we draw 4. Next PUMS also 400. So how many smiley pictures we draw? 4. Then private nursery school 8. Okay, so they given 800. So 8 smiley pictures we draw. Next answer these questions. Which school has maximum number of pupils? Which school has maximum number? GHSS. Next one, which school has the least number of pupils? So which school? PUPS. Do you understand for this pictograph sum? Okay, next one. Neela, Mala, Kala and Bala were neighbors. The following data shows the number of fish in their fish tank respectively. Draw a pictograph to represent the data. Answer the following questions. So they given data, we draw the pictograph. Okay, so first we draw the pictograph. What are the names given? Neela, Mala, Kala, Bala. Okay, so Neela how many fishes? 16. Okay, so you start with 0, 2, 4. You take the axis 2. Okay, so one axis equal to 2. So you draw the bar graph. Okay, so Neela you draw 16, Mala 20, Kala 12, Bala 24. Next you write the answer. How many fish did Bala have? How many fish Bala have? 24. Who has 16 fish? Who has? Neela. Then how many fewer fish did Kala have than Mala? So how many fish did Kala then have Mala? 8 fishes. Okay, 20 minus 12 8. Okay, ஸோ மாலா விட கலா வந்து எவ்வளோ ஃபிஷ் வந்து கம்மியாக பிடிச்சிருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா 8 ஃபிஷ். ஓகே, தென் ஃபோர்த் ஒன், ஹவு மெனி ஃபிஷ் டிட் நீலா அண்டு பாலா ஹாவ் டுகெதர்? ஸோ நீலா அண்டு மாலா together means they add to our students fish. Okay, so you add this to 16 plus 24 we get 20. Sorry, we get 40. Do you understand for this sum? Okay, next I give the homework that send I will separately. Okay, thank you.